Hi friends, welcome back. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use Windows 10 Video Editor to edit your videos. Windows 10 has pre-installed video editor. If you want to edit your first video and you are a beginner level to edit your video content so you can easily use it. I will walk through you how to use trim, split, delete, text, 3D fix volume adjustment and export to your video so you can able to use it efficiently. Please see until the end of this video so you can do it. Let's start editing with Windows 10 Video Editor. First open the Start menu and type Video Editor. Video Editor open. So this will bring you this window. New video project. Click. So in the top, choose this pen icon. By default, the name is new video. Write down the video's name you want to give. Edit video. Hit OK. So this one, project library, storyboard, bottom, up, preview section. Hit add. There is a 3 options come from this PC, from my collection, from the web. I'm choosing from this PC. Hit on it. I'm choosing these 3 clips. Select all 3 files. Adding files. So these files comes here. I want 2 more files. I'm choosing these 2 here. So right now I have all the files. Select the all files to drag from project library to storyboard. In the storyboard, you can rearrange your files. Choose the trim option. You can use the trim tool. Select the portion you want to remain simply by drag the start and end trim handle on the playback bar. This is the clip length, and you can also play here or also use this blue pin icon will help you to view what appears. So right now I want to trim this part, so I'm just drag this right handle, just a play here icon, just look around. So if I'm satisfied with that portion, I want to keep in my video. So I don't want this portion, so drag it the end. It's okay. So just give a look again. I'm satisfied. So this is my key clip length. Hit done. Right now I want also split because I have 2 video filmed in the same clip, so I want to separate them by choosing the split option. So just move your blue pin icon over here. Stop which clip length you want to clip. Hit done. So split is done. I want add title card. Select on it. The edit text. In the text we actually have 17 different style and 6 different layout. So I'm just giving the naming split. I'm choosing and also the layout. I'm okay with this one. Hit done. Select on it. Again, I want to add some text here. Just play on it, which part in your clip you want to add the text. Move this blue pin icon. I'm okay here, so I'm writing the display settings here. The text, I choose the adventure, joy options, display settings, whichever you actually like here. So you choose the text from here, and then the bottom there is the layout options. I want this portion just display this one, and after that I don't want. So if you drag this one, so this part, this will display setting will show, the text will show over here. Click done. In this section I also want to do some trim and split, so I'm just looking, but I don't want to add this section, so I've decided to delete this part. Go in the storyboard top, hit delete. I also write down the text that I'm deleting this one. Done. Choose this file, select, hit delete. Select this one. I want to do some trim this clip. I will do some split in this section, but as I'm shown previously, so I'm just skip it, just move forward quickly. I select the portion, hit done. This portion I actually want some 3D effects. So close. You can choose of options effect. You can choose rain, forest, adventure. Right now I am choosing balloons for this project. So the portion you want to keep, so you can play this blue pin icon so you see the preview, and also how much portion you want to keep this 3D effects in your video clips. Just make it resize, move it up. We don't need any volume, so done. So this is the last end portion. So you can also give some speed. So if you want to faster clip, so you can choose from here, move it little bit. Right now I actually want to adjust the volume. So for the each clip, I want zero volume, no sound effect. So I'm doing very quickly the whole section. But for the title part, you don't need to do anything. So I go by one each of these video clips. So make this volume 0. So I'm done. I'm not showing the filter and the motion options here. I don't need basically. I'm looking the preview. So how it comes. So I'm satisfied with this editing. So if you want to adjust any text, so you can do later if you forget. So I forget to add some text at the beginning of this clip. So right now I'm adding some text. Go here, choose the text. I already show how to add text, so I'm just skip this part. Done. Now it's time to look the whole video in the preview section, back and forth. You can look. I'm satisfied with this video editing. Hit finish video, export. I am choosing the location where I want to export it. Here, export, exporting started. You need to wait for a few minutes depending on the file size. If the file size is bigger, it maybe takes longer time. So exporting is done. So it will open this window to see the whole look of your editing video. So this is the very easy and quick way to edit your video. So if you like this video content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel for new videos. Thanks.